CBAI.
Hey, what's going on? I'm Cam Dean. You're watching CBAI. Thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to show you what to do if you find this file not found coming up on your AStudio project. So this would be referring to the audio sample that it cannot find it. So let's say you're working on a project, maybe move some files around and now, or renamed it, and now you can't, it's not loading up your audio. What you would want to do is double click on this file not found, double click to reload, and then you need to go find the audio and click on it. So something that I found just now that I thought was helpful is, I will show you. So here's my working my session file, and then down here you have a folder that's called samples right here. It'll have your generated samples just like by default if you generated anything, but it might not have any of your other wave audio if you've imported it from other places. If that is the case, what I would recommend is either copying or just drag and dropping in the file, the folder with all of your wave audio, so you've got it saved up in the samples area, a bit similar to the way LMMS works if you've ever used that. And then now I've got my CC0 audio wave files that I was looking for, and then I can just pull it up here. So I was looking for this sailing boom, so I should be able to find that right here. Sailing boom creaking. If I click on it, it should load up. So let's solo that and make sure that it worked. Okay, perfect. So that's my sound effect that I was looking for. It is now in there. So one more time, if you find that it says file not found, like in this one right here, file not found, double click to reload, double click on it, find the folder with your file, and then just double click on that file. Recommending here that you put it within the session project file that AStudio creates. Whenever you save, AStudio creates an entire group of folders, and you want to put it under the samples folder and then put your audio in its own special place, separate from the generated audio. That's all I had for today. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give me a subscribe and a like. And if you haven't used AStudio yet and you want to try it, don't forget to use coupon code CAM at checkout and use the link in the description and pinned comment below to get you to where you need to go. Thanks again. Hope you have a good one and take care.